I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki, and I'm just having a brew in Tyler and Kelly's cup. It's red hot. I've got Asda's own make, what do you call it, you know, powdered milk. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know, Smithy has had his AstraZeneca, it's the Oxford thing. Dead simple, no waiting. Just walked in, she asked me a few questions, have you been ill and all that. I haven't been ill, so she said, right, sit down. She said, wiggle your fingers a bit. I did that. She said, right. I said, what? She said, I've done it. I said, hey, you don't even, on it, you don't feel it. So anyway, I've had it done. So there we go. So I have to keep that and I get my next one. Well, whenever the next one is. I've got the date in my phone, but then I get the next one. I've got the heating on, it's a bit nippy. I'm going to show you out the door, just show you where I am. And then I just wanted to give you a short, just to let you know, Smithy's been jabbed, and I'm still here. So it's some kids on promenade, so I didn't want to open the door while they're going the other way. Right, I'll show you where I am. Let's have a look at this. This is my view for today. Getting that door shut. There's a bit of wind, although it isn't cold. I just had a t-shirt on today because I had my jacket on and a t-shirt. I couldn't park at the place because obviously it's a big van, so I parked, you know, on a street. There's some bloke pottering about in his garden. I said, do you mind if I park here? Well, I just nipped round. He said, yeah, you're doing it all day long in big vans and that. I said, oh, cheers pal. Anyway, he was alright. Anyway, I come back, he's still there. I don't know what he was doing, but he's tinkering about in his garden, so he watched my van for me, really. So that was a good thing. So yeah, it's all round, it's been a good day today. I'm just going to enjoy my coffee. I'll tell you what I do like doing, you know, is people watching. You know, just seeing what they're doing. Just interesting, all the different bicycles that people are on. All these scooters that they're on. And all these fancy electric things, you know, like one wheel, and there's all sorts of things going up and down this promenade, I'm telling you. It amazes me. Right, I'll sign off. I just wanted to give you a quick update, and I'm just going to enjoy this view because it's absolutely fabulous today. You can see Barra, Ulverston, Dalton, Grange, you can see everything. All the mountains. What a view. If you could buy this spot and just stay here, I'd do that, mate. Well, yeah, you don't have to buy it, you can park for free. Morecambe welcomes people in campers, they don't bother. None of the people bother. I just wish they would provide a few facilities, you know, like they have toilet blocks in Morecambe, with massive parking. Why not just charge you £2 to have an Elson point there and a fresh water tap? That'd be good. You know, use it after 6 o'clock at night when nobody's, when the market's shut. So anyway, if anybody's listening from the council, there's an idea for you. Let's get people welcomed in the town. It's down south they're doing it somewhere because I put a post on Facebook. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my coffee and I might go for a walk just to get some air, blow the cobwebs off me. I'd love to go metal detecting just here. Well, maybe not just here, it's full of rocks, but there is some sandy parts where kids will play. Parents will play ball and, you know, the rings will fly off and all that. If I did find an expensive ring though, you know, I would just take it to a police station and say I found that on the beach, you know, because people report lost things. You never know if it's somebody's engagement ring or whatever. I don't need somebody else's ring, but nice to find anything, isn't it? Crafty caravanners go pottering about, you know, finding stuff. Anyway, I'm not going to waffle on all day. I just wanted to let you know what's gone on, what I've had done, and I'm still here. So anyway, stay safe, be lucky, get a lottery ticket for tonight, because I have, and I don't know why I just don't give the woman the money and walk away. I don't need the ticket because it... oh well, you never know, you live in hope, don't you? Anyway, right, I'm going. See you soon, right?